Dear students, in today's lecture, I will teach you how you can solve a numerical. The question written on the board is: a stove element draws 15 ampere when connected to a 240 volt line. The stove element is basically an element, or you can say a device, which runs on electricity. It actually generates heat. It is used to cook your food, so it's actually run on electricity. Here the information of current is given. The stove element is actually taking how many amperes? 15 amperes. So the information of current is 15 amperes. When connected to a 240 line means the information of value of voltage is also given in this question, which is 240 volt. So the value of voltage is 240 volt. How long does it take to consume 60 kilojoules? Joules is the standard unit of energy and kilo is its prefix. Kilo means you have to multiply with the power of 10. 10 raised to the power 3. 10 raised to the power 3 means kilo. The standard unit of energy is joules. So 60 kilojoules means the information of energy is also given in the question. Energy is 60 kilojoules. 60 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 joules. So the value of energy is 60,000 joules. Now listen, this is the technical English which you have to understand, and you have to retrieve the hidden information which is being asked in the question. You have to calculate that value. Like what is asked? How long does it take? How long does it take means the examiner is asking about the value of time. How long does it take to consume? How long? How long? How long means the examiner is asking to calculate the value of time. So we have to calculate the value of time in this numerical. Now I am starting the solution and I will solve it. First of all, I will write down the formula of power from Ohm's law. What is the formula of power from Ohm's law? Power is equal to voltage multiplied by current. Power is equal to voltage multiplied by current. Power is equal to VI. The value of voltage is given in the question, 240 volt. The value of current is given in the question, 15 ampere. (240 multiplied by 15). What is the answer? The answer is 3600 watts. Now, I will write another formula of power which is used in physics. Power is equal to energy upon time. What is the value of energy given in the question? 60,000 joules. I will move time on the left hand side of the equal to sign, and I will move power to the right hand side of the equal to sign, so it will be divided by energy. So time will be equal to energy upon power. What is the value of energy given in the question? 60,000 joules. And you have already calculated the value of power, 3600 watts. 60,000 divided by 3600. What's the answer? 16.66 seconds. 16.66 seconds. That is the final answer. It means the stove element is taking time of 16.66 seconds. So the numerical ends here. Thank you.